Yeah, here we have a Rockford 6" by 48" belt sander combination 10" disc sander. This is a 115 volt model. I'm going to fire it up for you to show you that it does operate. Yeah, it's a little noisy because this belt's a little warped right here, and then it got a little damaged on the edge there when we were trying to adjust the tracking on there. There's your tracking adjustment there, so you probably want to replace that belt right there. Other than that, this machine is in fantastic condition. This is a display model. All the specs are in the listing. And we thank you for looking at our product.